Refrigerants are crucial to many industries, powering everything from air conditioning to deep freezers for high-tech systems. But it's critical to spot early signs of leakage to ensure proper operation. Sensata Resonix RGD Series refrigerant leak sensors deliver long-lasting accuracy and safety for HVAC&R applications, leveraging speed of sound sensing technology in an industrial-friendly package. Traditional refrigerant sensors rely on direct chemical reactions, which aren't highly reliable or accurate. The RGD series monitors the environment inside HVAC systems to detect the change in the speed of sound, or acoustic resonance, caused by the presence of refrigerants. By utilizing this acoustic resonance sensing technology, the Sensata RGD has no moving parts and no chemical degradation. With an IP54 rating, it can withstand substantial levels of dust and moisture in harsh environments. Response times for these sensors are driven by UL regulations, and rapid reaction is imperative. The RGD series has a response time from 2.8 seconds at T28 and 5 seconds at T60, giving engineers the response that they need to drive any mitigation controls in the system. The IP54 sealing and reliable speed of sound sensing also enables a long lifespan of 15 years without calibration or servicing, while also being entirely immune to sensor poisoning. The Sensata Resonix sensor was built to help HVAC engineers meet their regulatory burdens and has been designed to support compliance with UL 60335-2-40 Edition 4, ASHRAE 15, and UL 60335-2-89. The sensor is also CE compliant for the 24-volt versions. The series is available in multiple variants suitable for detecting different refrigerants. They're offered with 5-volt or 12 to 24-volt input ranges and have an RS485 Modbus interface, making it easy to integrate the RGD series into a wide range of applications. To learn more about the Sensata Resonix series, visit Sager.com.